people, welcome back to the channel. This is Birdbeak, and today we have a lot of topics to discuss, including Lisa Hype getting arrested at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. It really helps the channel a lot and it literally costs nothing. And if you not have it like that and you want to see the name featured before and after the videos, then you can support me on Patreon, link in the description. Now let's get into the video.
Airport or come with the police.
I know that you should have put your hand for me get for buck you.
I'm not gonna find it. There are other things to go and do.
And there's other things, so me have the power there too. Me have the power there too. Me have the power there too.
Please come.
Don't talk to me.
Huh? No, it's just come at the airport. You understand?
Come here, sir. Somebody's calling.
Come here, sir. Yeah, JB. Yeah, JB, welcome.
Miss, go on from beside me, no man. Go on, no man. Give me some space, man. This I make history. A history me I make, boy. Yeah. You want me shoes to eat? You want the clock for them? I'm going to tell you this, charge or not, you see whosoever send you no? You see whosoever send you no?
Leave the airport or come with the police.
I know that you should have put your hand for me get for buck you.
I'm not gonna find it. There are other things to go and do.
And there's other things, so me have the power there too. Me have the power there too. Me have the power there too.
Please come.
Don't talk to me.
Huh? No.
Please leave your thoughts of that in the comment section below. Now we have a next clip. Take a look at this one. She's really trying to sink herself.
Good night, sir.
Constable Boaz is the name from Norman.
Boaz from where? Hold on.
Norman, the police station. Alright, so I'm aware that you don't have a ticket.
So where you carry me? You carry me at the police station?
No, I'm not taking you in the police station.
Where you want me for do?
Under the airport regulation,
Yeah.
it's an arrestable offense for you to be here.
Oh, so what me have to do? Come out of the airport.
Thank you.
Okay. What you say your name again? What you say your name again?
I would have already informed you,
I
madam.
want to hear back your name. What you say? I not come out till you give me your name.
And if I see this on any
Shut up
social
your
media
mouth.
platform,
Shut up your mouth. You
I'll
can't
definitely be pressing charge.
Press charge and me a press back charge for you. Make me see it good. I better you lock me up here. Oh. It done the life already. You done the on social media. You can't show me. One way you go. A superintendent live right across from me. Oh.
May I see your passport, please?
See who for passport. I'm this year, man.
Ma'am, may I see your passport?
See who for passport. I'm this year. Oh. Who for passport you want to see? You don't know who me is already. Big idiot police boy. You don't know who me is already.
Well, after those two clips surfaced, this third clip that I'm about to show you surfaced not too long after. It shows her in the process of being arrested. Up next, we have footage of an altercation between two women that seems to be very heated. Take a look at this.
Blood clot! Why? You should have blood clot, run. Why? Why? I ain't gonna kill you, nobody, run. I ain't gonna. 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 I blood clot. I ain't gonna. Why? 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 I ain't gonna. I ain't gonna. I ain't gonna. Why? 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 Why?
As the Sir P would say.
These people are vile.
Anyways, up next, the government spends over $1.7 billion to give the JCF new vehicles. Take a look at this. Is a good look. A better equipped police force means more protection and safety for Jamaica's citizens. So it's a good look. Anyways, people, that's it for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Also, don't forget to support us on Patreon. It helps the channel out a lot. That's it for the video. Bird Nation, stay sharp.